What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are here with more Shindo Life. Now I didn't really know if you guys wanted a Dragon Ball. Oh my god, my voice is cracking. Now I didn't really know if you all wanted a Dragon Blocks video or Shindo Life video, because we haven't really done Shindo Life in a while. Or at least for me, it hasn't felt like we've done it for a while. And they also got a Christmas update, just like Dragon Blocks. So we're gonna check it out, see if the map is different or anything. And if it is, then that should be cool. Alrighty. So I'm pretty sure I have like a lot of jutsus back then. Yeah, I have a lot of jutsus. I know I'm saying back then. Today, I think, what do you click to show your thing? Okay, so, wait, I have this. Oh, I just don't have the much chi. So today, we're only going to upgrade our ninjutsu and our chi, because apparently that's the only thing you need in this game. Especially for combat, like if you're, where's the marker? Especially for combat, because like, if you're, like, in, like, a fighting situation, you just need to play it smart. Like you need to use substitution just so you need to block. I don't block, and I do use substitution just, just not that much. If I remember, yeah, you can double jump. And if I also remember correctly, you can tree jump, but that was very glitchy. Oh my gosh, bro, we have to fight? As soon as I was talking smack about fighting, bro. Wait, did it snow? Oh, they changed the map. It looks different now. It's like white for sand. Honestly, I think I'm very powerful. I think I could take all y'all at the same time. I'm very rusty at this game, so if I die, leave me alone. Level 546. That's only like 2 levels lower than me. Wait, is that copyright music? How are you doing a jutsu while you're in the air, bro? Explain. Alright, let's do some jutsus. I'm not trying to be boring here. Is he dead? Surprisingly not. Can you, like, get off? Gosh. I'm very powerful. Oh, dang, there's 2 of them? Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to click T. Oh, no, it's Y, it's Y, it's Y. Oh my god, I'm getting so mixed up. It's Y! Are you serious, bro? Bro, move! Jeez, bro, that was scary. I'm really rusty at this game, so I was clicking everything but Y. I clicked R and then I clicked F. What the heck? What? The dash isn't even really a dash. Oh, I found out something cool. If you click Q, then you can do like a little slash. Oh, so we're doing jutsus? I was just fighting you. What the heck? My jutsu didn't work! That is not fair, bro. My jutsu literally did not work. I've been clicking Y for like the past couple seconds, bro. Oh my god, bro. This game is so racist. Move, bro! God! Dang. I swear, does that not say why? It's literally why. If they just attack you in the middle of your jutsu, it'll just stop? That's so stupid. That is stupid. They need to fix that, bro. That never happens in Naruto, bro. And even when it does, they still successfully pull off the jutsu. Like, that's happened to Kakashi, that's happened to Naruto, that's happened to Sasuke. But they always successfully pull off their jutsu, bro. It's just so unrealistic. If I just, like, grind, I think I could probably, like, get stronger. Because I'm definitely super, super weak in this game right now. Also, I wish the sprinting was faster. Because the sprinting is kind of disappointing in this game. I do like the animation, though. Looks like they made them snowmans. Wait, did the thing... See this little log right here? It fell off. I'm gonna try and get shadow clones, because I'm pretty sure there's shadow clones in this game. So if there is, I'm just gonna try my best to get shadow clones. Because I really want that. I don't think it should be that hard. It's not like it's a powerful move. I bet you the only reason it would probably be hard to get is because it's a famous move. I bet you if Naruto didn't use shadow clones, like that wasn't his main move, and he used something else that's stupid, I bet you shadow clone wouldn't be hard to get. I bet you it would be hardly known. I think the higher a level you are, the more shadow clones you get. Also, my buttons have been like bugging out recently. Like I've been like playing games and stuff, and it's always like bugging out. Like I was playing those stupid parkour games where you always have to spam space, and then it wasn't working. Can we stop fighting people? Like I'm actually getting tired of fighting people. Cause I'm just like at that level where like you like you have to stay on the grind because you're like in like I wouldn't say I'm like mid, but like not like I don't know how to explain it, bro. Like it's like I'm at a level where I kind of have to keep on grinding and stuff if I want to be like better at the game. I finally got up a tree. That's the same spot I fought them last time. Is that not the same spot I just fought in? That's literally the same spot I just fought in. I'm actually getting kind of bored of this game. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not hard to grind. I'm just saying, like once your character is pretty powerful, you just kind of don't want to do anything, you know? It's kind of like a thing, like once you're already like super powerful, you just don't want to do anything. What the heck? Alright, so we're doing range attacks. Bro. Oh, my paper bomb got him. Oh! Dang, sucks to suck, I guess. Can you, like, get off of me, bro? Okay. This is too easy, bro. See what I mean? I guess it's not fun anymore because it's too easy. I like the challenge. Maybe I could start doing PvP. I also don't like my character anymore. I think he looks a bit boring. Like, I feel like can you, like, go to the customization system again? Can you do that? Customs. Oh, there's, like, different coats. Yeah, I would like a coat. Sure. I don't know what Ren coins are, though. How do you get those? These are game passes. Why would I want to be wearing the mask of people that lost and died to Naruto? Has Naruto ever killed someone? I think he's only killed one person. Alright, well, I guess that was just a little checkup on Shindo Life, because, you know, we haven't played it in a while, so. But I promise you guys the next video will be Dragon Blocks, and we'll actually do stuff. Like actually do stuff, like actually do. We'll just, like, probably just, like, grind and like, get, maybe I can try and get to, like, a prestige or something. Get more rebirths. But, yeah. That concludes another video, and please stay safe, and thank you for watching. Oh, yeah, also, make sure to like and subscribe, because, you know.